Julia here, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I really want to target all of my upcoming college students. I was that girl that wanted to take all of my clothes to college. Oh my god. Nothing frightened me more than leaving some of my clothes back at home. I just had to have them all with me. So today I'm going to be showing you all how you can bring all of your clothes to your dorm room. Yes, you heard me correctly. Don't be leaving some of these items home and I'll get them over the break. I'm going to show you how you can get all of your clothes in your drawers in your dorm room. So let's go ahead and get in the video so you all can go ahead and start packing for college.